Today we talk about how can you find your answers on your Brainly app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app to find your answers. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. We just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my answers. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will here add your answers here. So just like this and tick the blank here. So then it's going to show for you here. So in here like you see I have no answers. But if you have it, can you find it in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.